This is the place to be. Hey, come on in. If you wanna dance, let's shake it out.
Hey, Zombies' fan. Welcome to Quiz Slice. Think you know every beat from Zombies 4 Dawn of the Vampires? Let's put that to the test. You'll only hear 1 second of each song. All right, let's find out right now. First up,
Hey,
which song is it?
hey.
Yep, that's Don't Mess With Us. You're the best.
Hey, step right up. If you wanna dance, let's shake it out. Don't mess with us.
How about this?
With the day walk, live the vampire.
Nice catch, my friend. It's The Place to Be by Daywalkers and Vampires.
It's better on the bright side, bright side. Live the vampires, we come out underneath. You know we're the most unforgettable.
So, could you finish the lyrics from The Place to Be?
Welcome to the light side, light side. It's better on the bright side.
Boom! You nailed it.
You for stumbling through.
All right, back to our challenge.
Read between
Does this confident vibe sound familiar?
when you gotta feel it.
Well done. That's Show the World.
When you got a feeling, don't let nobody can read between the lines. You show the world it's who you are.
Okay, any idea for this?
We won't stop.
Be the best, try to be.
Woohoo! Legend spotted. Legends in the making.
Be the best, try to be a star. Thought I'd reach the top.
We won't stop till we're standing on. Come back strong, make my dream happen next year.
All right then, save one song challenge. Show the world or Legends in the making.
Show the world it's who you are. What you give that makes them all.
Be the best, try to be a star. Thought I'd reach the top, but I'm a little far. Seabrook.
All right, let's like this video if you're all in for Show the World. Subscribe if Legends in the Making is your vibe. And don't forget to drop a comment to see which one's winning fans' heart. Next up,
I know that we just
can you guess?
oh, yeah.
Sharp Ear. That's Dream Come True.
Know that we just met, but you know me, don't know what I'll do. No, by you. Know that we just met, but you know me, don't know it.
Aw, can you name it?
Side by side.
Someday.
You got it. Someday in Zombies 4.
Someday, this could be your
Side by side. Out in the broad daylight.
All right, this one hits the feels.
gonna be someday.
Name that song.
With the day walk.
That's right. It's Someday from Zombies 2. You nailed it.
You and me side by side. I'm gonna be someday. You and me side by side.
What's the track? That's Fire. Fired Up. One of these just isn't like the others. Can you spot it? Yep, that's the one. Good eye. All right, can you recognize this song?
Get up.
Boom, that's My Year.
I said get up. Try us today. I'm done.
Know that groove?
Do it like all you got to
Nice guess, like the zombies do.
do it like the zombies do. All you got to do is give an inch, then we do it like the zombies do. Don't stop.
So, time to rate Like the Zombie Do. How smooth was that?
Do it like the zombies do. Don't stand out when you're fitting in. When in
A total slay or just kinda okay? Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who's got taste. All right, this one's a little different. Got it? You crushed it. My Own Way. Recognize it?
I'm gonna
Ooh, that build up though.
so I'm not back.
Nice one. Stand.
I'm gonna stand strong, so I'm not backing down. Believe we're gonna stand strong.
All right, it's your turn. Tap to spot the right eyes for Addison. Done already? How many tries did it take? Let's drop your number in the comments and let's see who's got the sharpest eyes in the squad. Okay, that felt super motivational. Any guess?
If you want
Absolutely right. Possible.
if you want this, impossible. 'Cause we're in for
Ooh, recognize that sound?
with the day walk. With the day walk.
So good. We own the night song.
Hey, come on in if you want it. Hey, come on in if you want it. Hey, come on in if you
Whoa, that was intense.
turf
What's it called?
to show you what you gonna show.
Yep, bam.
Turf. Oh man, I'm about to show you what you gonna show me. Guess somebody told you you're in zombie land. I'm in zombie.
Do you remember these lyrics of this song?
What? I'm about to show you.
What you gonna show me?
Nobody told you.
You ain't gotta tell me.
Wow, wow. Well done. You're on fire.
I'm about to show you.
What you gonna show me?
Guess nobody told you.
You ain't gotta tell me.
I'm about to
Know that beat?
Around us, you
Listen closely. Come on out. Whoa, that's dramatic.
around us, you broke our trust. So things happen now.
Know which song?
They're on the line.
Do you recognize this one?
my team on my back.
Whoa, nailed it. Kerosene.
They're on the line. We're running out of time. We gotta
Put
do
my team on my back. Lead the charge and attack. I'm strapped. I can't guarantee I'll survive.
Okay, let's test your vision. Spot 3 differences in these pics. Woohoo! Nailed it! Those eyes don't miss a thing. Okay, quick memory check. Nova was in that flash. Can you find her? Yup, there she is. Number 5. You've got a sharp brain. And that's a wrap. How many songs did you guess right in just 1 second? If you had fun, smash that like and subscribe to Quiz Slice for more epic Zombies 4 challenges. Catch you in the next one. Bye!